Hi friends. Do you know about color theory? And how to use it in fashion design? It is very important in fashion design. Today I am giving you some information about color theory. Keep watching. You are watching Emode School of Fashion. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and enable bell icon for future updates. First we must know about color definitions. 1. Primary colors. 2. Secondary colors. 3. Tertiary colors. 4. Warm colors. 5. Cool colors. Which are the primary colors? See this color wheel. Red, yellow and blue are the primary colors. Green, purple or violet and orange are the secondary colors. By mixing of two primary colors, we get secondary color. For example, if we mix red and yellow we get orange. Third one is tertiary colors. They are 6 in color wheel. By mixing of one primary with one secondary color we get tertiary color. For example, mix red with orange, we get orange-red. Hope you got the idea of mixing of colors. Next section is warm colors. They are the bright colors in color wheel. Just look at this wheel. From red to yellow-green, marked as warm colors. From green to red-violet are cool colors. Warm colors are brighter than cool colors. Now we must know about tint, tone, and shade. How to define these? If we adding white to any color we get tint color. Adding gray to any color we get tone. Finally, adding black to any color we get shade. When we design a dress, we must have a good knowledge about color variations and color schemes, also skin tone of your customer. We learned about colors, but there are some more colors, didn't see in color wheels. It is called neutral colors. Do you have any idea about? Just see this color wheel. White, black, gray, brown, and beige are called neutral colors. You need to buy separate color wheel for neutral colors. Now we learned about different types of colors, and about color wheels. If you buy a color wheel, it will help you to mix and match your dress. You can buy online from below link. In the fashion industry, mainly uses 6 color schemes. We learned about warm colors. Let's see some examples of warm color combination. In this image you can see how warm colors used. When you are working with colors in fashion, they are either referred to as warm or cool. The warm colors are either red, yellow, orange, or a combination of all of these. Learning how to use color properly will be one of the most valuable skills that you grasp as a designer. See cool colors, and some examples. Cool colors, which are your blues, greens, and purples, will give the illusion of reducing size. They also are calming and have soothing properties. After some time, you will learn how to perfectly harmonize warm and cool colors together to create the perfect wardrobe. For now, one tip to keep in mind is, it is always best to match warm colors with other warms, and cools with cools. Neutral colors. When it comes to building a wardrobe, neutral colors are about as safe as you can get. These are your versatile colors that work well and match with anything. In fashion, these colors can be used and worn with any other colors, so you should remember to take note of the neutral color wheel. These colors include gray, brown, beige, black, and white. Monochromatic scheme. From the word mono, we got an idea it is one color. You can use different shades of a single color, it also gives you great look. Many people especially like this combination. When a designer begins to combine different shades, tints, tones, and intensities of colors on the wheel, to complement one color, it is referred to as a monochromatic color scheme. Complementary. When two colors are located directly across from each other, on the color wheel, they are known as color harmonies, or complementary color schemes. These colors work well, when you want something to stand out, but you have to be careful when using them in large doses. The colors red and green are a perfect example of this scheme. Complementary schemes are used in 4 different ways. Complementary, dyad, triad, and tetrad. Just see this image. You can mix and match more colors in this scheme. Last one is analogous color scheme. When looking at a color wheel, there are usually a few colors that are serene and pleasing to the eye. They are located next to each other on the wheel, are generally harmonious, and are found in nature. This is referred to as an analogous color scheme, and when working with them, you should choose one dominant, one supportive, and a third accent color. In this image you can see the beauty of this color scheme. So we learned how to use color theory. Hope you enjoyed and learned color theory, using in fashion industry. I forgot to tell you my name, I am Jenny. Please tell me how I explained color theory. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, don't forget to share your comments please. Thank you for watching.